being here. This video is our official entry of Shed Wars 2021. And I also will talk about other images in our vision board, which you may already have seen in Trie's Soar Like a Girl. As of last week, we hit 1,000 subscribers. And to celebrate, we are starting a monthly giveaway, like this brand new glow light. And we will thank some very special people that helped us reach this mark. And if you haven't, please subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video or giveaway. And now for Shed Wars 2021. I have this Shed Wars banner idea. What do you think? We are participating for the first time this year, but the Vineyard Chicks are no strangers to gardening, and we hope to be picked to join a great team. The Vineyard Chicks live in Northern Hemisphere in growing zone 6B, and consider what we bring to Shed Wars 2021. Last year, I grew carrots in this big pot shaped like a wine barrel. Carrots are my favorite, and you can be sure I will be growing big carrots again this year. And we plant 100 feet of winter squash and pumpkins. You can see our squash patch in the video I made last summer about squash blossom pancakes. They're so yummy. They planned on making a bunch of tea last summer and planted lots of herbs. My parents also use these herbs for spiced vinegar, and I made this video about drying herbs for storage, and you saw our spiced vinegars in my prepping barrels for vinegar video. My sister Trie loves building, and not just for our chickens and goats. Last year she made these lasagna-style hugelkultur beds for our garden. She also made these $12 fall flower bulb beds that are near our driveway. Trie is also planning to build 2 longer 24-foot beds this spring. Trie and Mama are also discussing how to add a greenhouse/shed. If you have seen my sister's building videos, you know she can build. Our garden always includes San Marzano tomatoes every year. See our tomatoes in our canning video. Also can melons, peppers, and pickles. We have 100 feet of hog panels for our cucumbers. And this year we may also plant snap peas. We grow zucchini and summer squash. We made this video on preserving summer squash. This was one of our first videos. Our parents grow grapes for their vinegar, and they are having a shed delivered that will serve as their store. And the Vineyard Chicks will have an area in the store where we can sell our chicken and duck eggs. Did you know the Vineyard Chicks have an aquaponics video? A hydroponics PVC tower that Trie made and crafty video too. We'll likely bring some form of water gardening to Shed Wars. I almost forgot Trie's strawberry beds, and Trie will probably design a better way of watering her strawberry barrels, and maybe the garden beds too. I will put a link in the description below to all these videos. And as you can see, we're already getting set up. So that's our exciting vision for this year and our official entry into Shed Wars 2021. This giveaway and our future giveaways are possible because you all put us over 1,000 subscribers, and we are extremely grateful. Some of you noticed how close we were and gave us amazing shout outs, and we'd like to thank you and tell others about your channels too.
Adventures on the Homestead is one of our favorite channels to watch. They're a homesteading family in Michigan that practices homesteading skills and values. They do amazing camera work. They have a dog that actually carries firewood, and they're making some really neat things out of pallet wood. Be sure you check them out. We'll leave a link in the description below. Gail's Southern Living is another of our favorite channels, and she included us in her Monday shoutouts about new channels she discovers. She has amazing recipes, and she shares her journey with cooking, gardening, couponing, raising chickens, crafts, and more. We also promised Miss Gail that we would cover a Lauren Daigle song.
And we would also like to thank Two Family Homestead for supporting us during their live stream. Two Family Homestead has some great live streams. They have an amazing community of friends. We will leave the links in the description below to all 3 channels. And now for the February giveaway. And yes, that means there will be a March giveaway too. And here's our giveaway. This is an LED light, a 2-foot plant grow light. It has 20 watts. It has 20 watts. We will ship it to the winner.
To be eligible, you must live in the continental United States and enter any time in February 2021, but before February 22nd, 2021. To enter, just add an emoji to your comment or on any of our February videos. If you don't have emojis, then add a semicolon and parentheses. You will be entered only once per video, but you may also enter once on each of our February 2021 videos. Good luck! You will also receive one of these amazing Vineyard Chicks stickers too. Thank you and God bless.